How much should you actually spend on automotive workshop tools? Because people are happily buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, BFXM Brake Caliper Hanger. First off, we've got the BFXM 2 PCS Brake Caliper Hanger Compression Mechanic Tool. At just $4.75, this tool caught my attention because it's a bestseller with a 4.8 star rating from over 1,100 reviews. If you want a safe way to manage brake calipers during repairs, this is worth a serious look. This tool is designed to hold calipers securely while you work on brakes, axles, and suspension systems. With a load capacity of up to 107 pounds, it's incredibly sturdy. The rubber tips on both ends are a game changer. They prevent scratches or damages to your car's bodywork. The bright colors make it easy to spot in your toolbox, saving you time when you're in a pinch. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're tired of jury-rigging solutions with bungee cords, this tool gives you peace of mind knowing your calipers are secure. Now, some people complained about the length, saying it might be too short for larger vehicles. Here's the thing, though. If you're working on standard cars, this should fit just fine. But if you're dealing with larger trucks or SUVs, it's something to consider. This is perfect for you if you regularly work on brake systems. Skip this one if you often deal with larger vehicles or need something more heavy-duty. At this price, it's a steal for any mechanic or DIYer. Now, if that concern about length bothered you, the next product might be exactly what you're looking for. Product number 2, BFXM Car Mechanic Stethoscope. Next up is the BFXM Car Mechanic Stethoscope, priced at $7.39. With a 4.6 star rating and over 550 reviews, this tool piqued my interest because it's so affordable yet essential for diagnosing engine issues. If you want to pinpoint engine noises with accuracy, this is definitely worth checking out. The stethoscope features a sensitive acoustic chamber that helps you locate abnormal engine sounds. It's made from high-quality stainless steel and durable vinyl, which means it'll last through many uses. You get 2 metal probes with different lengths, allowing you to reach those tricky spots that are usually hard to access. Here's why this matters for you. If you try to diagnose problems quickly and effectively, this tool gives you clarity in identifying issues before they escalate. Some users mentioned that it can be a bit tricky to use for beginners, as it requires some practice to master the sound isolation. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it becomes an invaluable tool in your kit. This is perfect for you if you love DIY car repairs and want to save on mechanic fees. Skip this one if you're not comfortable troubleshooting engine noises yourself. For $7.39, it's a solid investment for what it offers. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for precision work. Product number 3, Doho 12 PCS Hook and Pick Tool Set. Now, let's talk about the Doho 12 PCS Automotive Hook and Pick Tool Set, priced at $13.99. This kit is rated 4.6 stars and has been purchased over 400 times this past month, so you know it's popular. If you're into precision work, this set is definitely worth a serious look. This set includes 12 tools specifically designed for removing O-rings, seals, and gaskets in tight spaces. The ergonomic handles give you great grip and control, which is essential when you're working on delicate components. Made from high-carbon steel, these tools are durable and resistant to bending and breaking. Here's why this matters for you. If you've ever struggled to remove stubborn seals, this set can save you a lot of frustration and time. Now, some users pointed out that the tools could be a bit too long for very tight spots. Here's the thing, though. If you're mostly working in standard engine bays, they should work perfectly. But for ultra-tiny spaces, you might want to consider a mini set. This is perfect for you if you're a professional mechanic or a serious DIYer who needs to tackle a variety of tasks. Skip this one if you only need tools for occasional use. It's a bit of an investment for light work. For this price, you're getting a comprehensive solution. Now, if you're worried about those long tools, the next product might be just what you need. Product number 4, Pahui 10 PCS Precision Pick Tools. Next, we have the Pahui 10 PCS Precision Pick Tools, going for just $6.99. With a 4.7 star rating and over 1,000 sold this month, This set caught my eye because it's super versatile for various automotive tasks. If you need a reliable set of picks for tough jobs, this is worth your time. These tools are designed for removing O-rings, gaskets, and tiny clips with ease. The ergonomic, non-slip handles reduce hand fatigue, which is crucial for those longer repair sessions. The set includes various hooks, giving you the flexibility to tackle different tasks effortlessly. Here's why this matters for you. Having precise tools means you can avoid damaging parts while working, saving you money and hassle in the long run. Some buyers mentioned that the set could use a case for better organization. I'll be real with you. While it would be nice to have, keeping them in your toolbox works just fine for most. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable set for everyday tasks without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you prefer a more organized solution right out of the box. For only $6.99, it's hard to beat. Alright, that was a great option. But if you're looking for tools that help you catch those hard-to-reach screws, the next product is your answer. Product number 5, Horisty Magnetic Pickup Tools Kit. Finally, we got the Horisty 4-piece Magnetic Pickup Tools Kit, priced at $8.49. With an impressive 4.7-star rating and over 150 reviews, this set grabbed my attention because of its practicality for any workshop. If you often lose small metal parts, this is definitely worth a serious look. This kit includes a telescoping magnetic pickup tool that can extend from 7 to 30.5 inches, perfect for reaching into tight spots. The flexible magnetic tool can bend to fit into awkward spaces, making it a must-have for mechanics. Plus, the collapsible parts tray keeps your workspace organized by holding small screws and bolts securely. Here's why this matters for you. If you've ever lost a nut in an engine bay, you know how frustrating it is. This kit solves that issue effortlessly. Some users felt that the magnet could be a bit stronger. Here's the thing, though. While it might not pick up larger items, it performs well for screws and small parts, which is what it's designed for. This is perfect for you if you're someone who works in a messy garage and wants to keep track of small parts. Skip this one if you need a heavy-duty magnet for larger metal pieces. For $8.49, it's a fantastic addition to your toolkit. So, to recap, the BFXM brake caliper hanger is a must if you're working with brakes. The BFXM car mechanic stethoscope is great for diagnosing engine noises. The Doho hook and pick set offers precision for tough jobs. The Pahui pick tools are versatile for daily tasks. And the Horisty magnetic tools are perfect for keeping small parts organized. Each tool serves a unique need. So consider what fits best for your workshop.